Looker Studio works great. Until it doesn't. If you've ever waited minutes for a report to refresh, struggled with bugs, or hit a wall trying to build something more advanced, this video's for you. I'll walk you through 5 alternatives to Looker Studio, from simple yet powerful reporting tools like Qlik.io to data viz heavyweights like Tableau. So let's get into it. Let's start with Qlik.io and its dashboards. If you're using Looker Studio to report on marketing data, Qlik.io might genuinely be the only tool you need. It pulls data natively from dozens of apps, with more being added regularly. No more hunting for the right connectors, managing separate subscriptions, or running into connector limits. You connect your data once, no limits, and you're done. What really makes Qlik.io a strong alternative to Looker Studio is the dashboard templates for nearly any use case, whether it's online marketing, accounting, e-commerce, or sales. You don't have to build anything from scratch. Just pick a template, connect your sources, and you've got yourself a responsive, up-to-date dashboard that's ready to go. One standout feature is the automatically generated AI insights available with each template. These highlight trends you might miss by just glancing at charts. They focus on key performance indicators across your channels and offer practical data-driven recommendations. Beyond dashboards, Qlik.io is a full ETL platform. It lets you pull in data and blend it with other sources, a major performance upgrade compared to Looker Studio, which has historically struggled with complex, multi-source setups. You can transform your data directly within the platform, clean it, filter it for a more focused view, or aggregate it right away. Create new custom metrics similar to calculated fields in Looker Studio, but far more efficient and reliable. Once everything's ready, you can send the data to your preferred destination, spreadsheets, data warehouses, or visualization tools like Power BI or Tableau, all on a set schedule and fully automated. Qlik.io is quick to set up, easy to use, and could be just the tool you need for better marketing reports. Try it out on a free trial and see the difference for yourself. Plans start from $24 per month, with a free tier also available. Tableau is one of the most powerful tools out there for data visualization. If you're running complex marketing campaigns, managing multiple touchpoints, or reporting to stakeholders who love tailored visuals, Tableau is a great fit. It lets you build highly customized dashboards, supports multi-layered reports, and offers advanced interactivity that goes far beyond what Looker Studio can do. It's especially strong when you need to blend large datasets or create detailed drill downs. That said, it's not the most beginner-friendly option. You need clean data, some technical expertise, and a license. Tableau Creator costs $75 per user per month. So if your team is comfortable working with data, Tableau gives you complete creative control. Otherwise, it might be more than you need. Power BI is a strong choice for marketers already working in the Microsoft ecosystem. It's affordable, just $14 per user, and integrates well with Excel, SharePoint, and other Office tools. You can create detailed dashboards, write DAX formulas for custom metrics, and build data models tailored to your reporting needs. It's a good option for teams doing internal reporting or tracking performance across owned channels. Where it can fall short is with marketing APIs. Platforms like Meta, GA4, or LinkedIn Ads often require third-party connectors, and setup isn't always straightforward. Also, although Power BI has a web version, many of the advanced features are still available only in the desktop app. So if your stack is already Microsoft heavy, it's a natural fit. If not, expect additional setup work. Qlik stands out with its unique approach to data modeling. Unlike traditional tools, Qlik utilizes an associative engine, which enables easier exploration of relationships in your data without requiring the use of SQL or manual join definitions. That could be super helpful when you're working with messy or inconsistent marketing data, say from campaigns across different platforms or channels. The experience is fast and interactive, making it great for uncovering patterns that you might otherwise miss. However, the flip side is that Qlik comes with a steeper learning curve, and its UI can feel somewhat outdated. Pricing isn't public either. you'll need to contact sales to even get a ballpark. If you've got someone technical on your team, Qlik could be a powerful upgrade. If not, it might be more effort than it's worth. Domo brings a lot to the table: dashboards, automation, and real-time insights all in one place. It's especially useful if you're tired of stitching tools together or manually refreshing data. Domo includes built-in connectors, data pipelines, collaboration filters, and even apps to help automate workflows, which makes it feel more like a full platform than just a dashboard tool. The UI is clean, mobile-friendly, and designed with business users in mind, not just analysts. However, Domo isn't cheap. Pricing starts at thousands per year, and most teams will need assistance to get everything up and running. You can try it out for free, or reach out to sales for a quote. It is a solid option if you're part of a larger organization or agency that needs robust, automated reporting across multiple departments. Here's the quick recap. If you're looking for a fast, no-code upgrade from Looker Studio, Qlik.io dashboards is the easiest way to get there. Clean data, ready-made templates, and automated reports, no hassle. However, if you require more advanced features or your team already works with more complex data setups, Tableau, Power BI, Qlik, and Domo are all worth exploring. Please keep in mind that they require a bit more setup and learning time. And that's it. Now you know the top alternatives to Looker Studio. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your team, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.